Today is our second day of week 1 for the class training for the Madrassa student. So today is the day 2 of week 1. In today we will discuss the introductions to the HTML, the getting started with the basic of HTML. Objective introduce to the student the structure of HTML documents and basic tags to create their first web page. In our first day training course, we quickly review what is the website we learned there in our first day course, website versus the web applications, how the website work, domains, hosting, server, and the question was what is one things you remember from yesterday course. So drop me the answer in my comment box. HTML structure. What is the HTML? The role of HTML in website. The basic structure of HTML documents. Doc type HTML. HTML head, title, my page, then title close, header close, body, then header 1 hello, then header 1 close, and body close tag, then HTML close tag. What is the HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create and design the structure of web pages. HTML uses tags to define the elements such as headings, paragraph, images, link, and more. The role of HTML in website. HTML play a fundamental role in a web development structure. The content of web tells the browser how to display text, images, link, and multimedia. Work together with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. Think of HTML as the skeleton of web pages. Without it, a browser wouldn't know what to show. The basic structure of the HTML documents here is a simple example. Start from the documents HTML type, then HTML header, then title tag close, then header tag close, then body tag start, and then header 1 the hello world, then header 1 tag close, and body tag close, and HTML tag close. Explanation. The document type HTML declares the document type and version of HTML5. The tag HTML root element that wraps all content. Head tag contains the metadata like title, styles, and link. Title tag that titles appears in in the browser tab. The body tag contains the visible content of the web page, and header 1 h1 tag a heading tag, usually the largest heading. To run my first web page, so I went there in a search. In search I typed the notepad. So the window 10 gonna show me the notepad here. So I open the notepad here, and then I paste this code into the notepad. This code I'm going to write in my commit section. So if you don't want to type it, so you can copy from there and paste it. Then I save the file, save as. On my desktop I save that file as and I select file type. I select from the documents to all file, and I give name to the test, test dot html, and I save the files. Now I go back to the my desktop to run the files. Now the file which I save on my desktop, it is here as a save file. So I double click that file, and this is my first web page created. In section 3, we'll learn how to create our first web page. Now in section 4, we're going to see what is the tag we use in our web page. We use the first tag is the h1 to h6, that tags we use for heading. Then we use the tag p for paragraph. Then we use the tag br for line break, hr for horizontal line, and strong we use for the bold fonts, em we use for italic fonts. Now here is the group quiz game. We want from some answer from student how they good learning from our training course. So I want to know them to give me the name of the what tags we use for bold text, or what does HTML represent, and what is the purpose of the heading tag in a section. So these three questions I ask from the students, so that will help me to see how good they learning from the our course. So in a section 3, we give the simple homework to the student to create an HTML file with the heading h1 for your name and paragraph about yourself. Use strong em, hr, and br tag and save them in a on your desktop and run them on a browser and take the picture and send it to me.